Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying the objective and constraints, why this model matters and what success looks like. Next, assemble data and immediately split it 70/15/15 so you avoid leakage. This prevents optimistic bias. Once done, pick your framework, PyTorch or TensorFlow, and set a reproducible seed, GPU targets, and dependency versions. This gets you into model design quickly. Make sure to inspect data distributions and label balance now, because early corrections save hours later. You choose an architecture aligned to your data. Images lean toward CNNs, sequences prefer RNNs or transformers, because inductive bias speeds learning. Then design layer depth and width, pick activations, and add normalization or dropout to control variance. This stabilizes training. Once set, select loss and optimizer and schedule the learning rate. Small changes here produce big effects. Make sure to instrument training with clear logs and validation checks so you can detect divergence or overfitting early. You finalize by evaluating thoroughly, run the test set and inspect metrics like precision and recall, and the confusion matrix to understand errors. Then iterate. Ablate components, run hyperparameter tuning, and consider pruning or quantization for deployment. If results are poor, try one key troubleshooting move. Reduce the learning rate and add regularization such as dropout or increase data augmentation. These often resolve instability. Finally, document architecture, training recipe, and any assumptions for future reproducibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.